Pistons and connecting rods. Questions and answers. 1. What is the function of a piston? Create turbulence. Receive force from expanding combustion forces. 2. What materials are used to manufacture pistons? Aluminum, hypereutectic aluminum, cast iron. 3. How is piston slap controlled in an engine? Piston pin offset. 4. What are piston balance pads? Area of extra metal that can be removed to balance. Near pin boss. 5. How does the piston expand with heat? Diameter across pin boss expands more material. Piston head expands more closer to combustion. 6. Why are some piston ring lands reinforced? Control heat expansion. Reduce wear. 7. What are the types of piston pin designs? Full floating, press fit. 8. What are the functions of the piston rings? Seal against gases. Control lubrication. Transfer heat from piston to cylinder wall. 9. What materials are used in piston rings? Cast iron, ductile cast iron, steel alloys, stainless steel, faced with molybdenum or chrome. 10. What is ring side clearance and how is it measured? Space between ring and groove, with a feeler gauge. 11. When would you measure ring end gap and how? When replacing parts or making changes to parts related to piston or cylinder. Ring in cylinder below ring travel, feeler gauge. 12. What are torsional twist rings and how do they work? Have a bevel that is acted on by combustion gases. Twist to seal. Plus twist up to seal against combustion. Rev, twist down to seal oil scrap oil. 13. How are piston rings indexed? Marking on one face of the ring to locate up position. Note ring type in each position. Align gaps as per instructions. 14. List different types of connecting rod designs. Straight offset, straight cut bias cut. 15. How do manufacturers align the connecting rod caps? Fracture sintered metal, dowel, shoulder on rod bolt. 16. What is the purpose of the connecting rod spit holes? Oil to cylinder wall on major thrust side. 17. How should you remove piston rings? Use piston ring expanders for compression rings. Spiral off oil control rings. 18. How are pressed piston pins removed from the connecting rod? Need a special holder. Use a press. 19. How are pistons cleaned? Pressure washer, light plastic brush, solvent tank, clean grooves with ring scraper or a piece of an old ring. 20. What inspections can be done to connecting rods? Straightness, bore alignment, cracks, size, taper, origin of bores, bearing wear, visual inspection, discoloration. 21. What types of reconditioning can be performed in connecting rods? Resizing bid end bore, replacing fasteners,